Friends, look, it's our friend, Pippin. Pippin loves to play. What are you building, Pippin? Wow, a tall tower. But look at Pippin's hands. Oh dear, Pippin's hands got a little bit messy. Uh-oh, messy hands have little tiny invisible sugar bugs. We can't see them, but they like to hide. And we don't want those sugar bugs when it's time to eat yummy snacks, do we? That's right. So what do we do when our hands are messy? Or before we eat? We wash our hands. Let's go. First we turn on the water. Whee! Water, splashy splash. Then we get some soap. Pump, pump, pump. Water, splashy splash. Then we get some soap. Pump, pump, pump. Rub the front, rub the back. Rub your thumbs. Wiggle, wiggle. Rub your fingers. Wiggle, wiggle. Lots and lots of bubbles. They help chase away those little sugar bugs. Goodbye, sugar bugs. Bye-bye. Now, let's rinse the bubbles away. Splash, splash, splash. All clean. And last we dry our hands. Rub, rub, rub. Hooray! Look at Pippin's hands now. Sparkly clean. Clean hands are happy hands. And happy hands help us stay healthy and strong. Now Pippin is ready for a yummy snack. Yippee! So remember, friends, before we eat, after we play, and after we use the potty, we wash our hands. It's so easy and so much fun. Splashy hands, happy you. See you next time, friends.